Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Carson Bickroy.
If you've been in southwest Montana over the last 36 hours, you probably noticed the rain, and we had a lot of it. Here are some of our storm reports. You can see almost 1.5 inches in Livingston, about 1 2/10 inches in Bozeman, Gateway and Belgrade not that far behind, and then about 1/2 inch was picked up in Manhattan. So we'll continue to watch for more reports from all across southwest Montana. But hey, where's all this rain? Well, it is starting to push off to our east, and as you can see, still some spotty showers to the north and east of Bozeman, which is why, or at least over the next couple of hours, I can't rule out that chance for a few more showers to move through the area, but they will be brief and light. But the major storm system that brought us all that rain, it's pushed off into North Dakota now, but we still have some of this wraparound precipitation making its way through central and eastern Montana. And as that storm system pushes away, it's going to allow this Yellowstone high to build up and form, which means tomorrow, sinking air, no rain, and that's going to give us sunshine, which we really haven't seen much of over the last couple of days. So let's take you hour by hour. 6 o'clock, still dealing with that very spotty activity. It's still a little cloudy in Bozeman, and as you can see, to the west of Bozeman, along Interstate 90 towards the mining city, that's when we do start to see those breaks in the clouds. Now, 10 o'clock, a little clearer, and we get better throughout the night. We might have a wave of stratus move through the area, but by 8 o'clock Sunday morning, if you're headed to brunch, work, church, wherever you're headed, go ahead and keep those plans, because we're not dealing with anything on the radar at that time. And throughout the day for your Sunday, looking pretty nice. We might have a stray shower well off to the north and west of the mining city. Otherwise, everybody else is going to remain dry. Look at these temperatures. It is chilly still down in West Yellowstone. That cloud cover down there has been keeping them right around 45 degrees. The rest of us, though, are in the 50s, but as you can see, clear skies to our north, 64 in Helena, 62 in Missoula, so it did get a little warmer to our north today. But lows tonight, we're falling into the 30s and 40s. Again, I'm not ruling out that chance for a spotty shower or two early, but that should come to an end by midnight. And highs, once again, we're getting a little warmer than what we saw today. We're back up into the 60s and 70s. For our eastern counties, look at these low temperatures for Big Sky and West Yellowstone, right at freezing or just below. The rest of us are falling into the 30s and 40s as those clearer skies after midnight will allow those lows to drop a little further than they typically would. Highs in the 50s and 60s and 70s tomorrow, so we'll have them all over the place with those mostly sunny skies in place. But the good news is for Bozeman, we picked up our rain for a while. You can see through Wednesday, we're going to remain dry, highs only in the 50s and 60s, and then we do cool off a little bit by the end of the week, which means more mountain snow and possibly some valley rain for us there in Bozeman. You can see for Butte as well, 60s through Wednesday, but that weather pattern does reactivate by next Thursday, so we drop back into the 50s, and we're going to have to look for a rain-snow mix there on Homestake Pass by the end of the week. In Dillon, we're dry tomorrow, dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with highs in the 60s, highs only in the 50s for Thursday and Friday. Few showers around as well on Saturday. 50s and 60s expected for Butte, but Friday and Saturday we're going to have to watch closely for another early season mountain snowstorm.
Sweaters. Thank you,
Sweater
Carson.
weather.
Yeah, that's right. Right. Well, you've had a day.